Yo, it's your boy Best, in case you already know. Today's video, I'm going to be attempting to become a pro animator in only 30 days. Yeah, so I'm not just going to start without any experience. Actually, I started animating April last year. We fully went into content creation, made a TikTok page, a YouTube, Insta. You can check out the links in the description. Okay, so for my animations, I'll be using the app Flipaclip. I started animating last year, like I said before, and I basically learned animating from watching YouTube videos, like a lot of tutorials. My art style wasn't that good when it first started because I was using my fingers. I didn't have a stylus pen then, but I have one now. So I'll be using the app Flipaclip for this 30 days animation because it's more basic, more free, it's more fluent, and also for that beginner animator. So if you're an animator, you want to go into animating, this is your app for you. Yeah, so I'm going to be embarking on this 30 days animating to level up my skills, push my creativity, and honestly to see how far I can go. Okay, so here's how it's gonna work. I'll be animating every single day for the next 30 days, and I'll upload the video every 2 days to share my progress. So every 2 days you get to see what I've been working on. I got a template, a schedule already for what I'm gonna be animating every day for the next 30 days. This is basically just to improve my skills, pushing myself from a noob animator to a pro animator. So each upload will contain a little behind the scene look at my process, some of the challenges I face, and of course the final animation for that day. Whether it's experimenting with a new style, improving character movement, character design, or even just nailing a tricky lip sync, I'll be sharing it all with you on my new video series, Becoming an Animator in just 30 days. So if you're curious about animation, think about starting your own challenge, or you want to become an animator yourself, this is a series you should stick with. I'm going to need you all to cheer me on because trust me, I'll need it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single update. Seriously, you support me well to me, and it's going to keep me motivated throughout this whole journey. Alright, I'm ready to dive in, and I hope you stick around me, see how things goes. It's going to be fun, it's going to be messy, and it's definitely going to be a learning experience. So let's do this. 30 days of animating.